Hi friends, this is Dr. Abdekam Chimthanawala. Today let me discuss one of the very important remedies, one of the very important polycrest in the homeopathy Matermedica. The remedy which has been taught and learned by you in detail, has thousands of symptoms of Matermedica, and a very important remedy used day to day in our clinical practice. As you know the drug in length, I'll only discuss the characteristic symptoms of that remedy, and that is arsenic album. So few characteristic symptoms of arsenic album you must remember in order to know the drug, the nucleus, the core symptoms of the remedy. First symptom, arsenic, that is great prostration, great restlessness and utter prostration. There is restlessness in arsenic and utter prostration in arsenic. Both is there in arsenic. Second, unquenchable thirst. Unquenchable burning thirst. The patient drinks often, but what is the importance of thirst? But drinks very little. Sips water. So it is not like Brahmani that he'll take the whole glass of water, but he'll start sipping water. Thirst unquenchable and drinks often. The stomach symptoms. You have to remember one symptom of arsenic of stomach, that is the stomach is disordered after eating fruits or after eating ice cream. There are a lot of conditions where the patient will say, sir, I had 2 bananas and I had diarrhea, dysentery. I had just 2 oranges and my stomach was bad. So you have to think about arsenic. One of the favorites of everybody is ice cream, but you have to remember in arsenic, the stomach can be disordered by ice cream also. And there's a violent burning pain in the stomach and abdomen with intolerable anguish. This intolerable anguish is an important indication of arsenic album. Now you come to stools. Stools of arsenic, of course, watery stools, cadaverous odor smelling stools, but black stools, very important symptom. Black stools, thin and watery with great prostration. You have lot of remedy for black stools, thin stools, watery stools, offensive stools, but with great prostration, it is a hallmark symptom of arsenic album. Then the chest symptoms of arsenic. Oppression of breathing. Oppression of breathing and prostration from walking fast. The patient will walk fast and he feels, my God, I'm so tired, I can't walk. Or if you have ever been to arsenic patient and he starts ascending or ascending a height, just by going on the first floor, the patient will say, I am tired, I cannot climb. If the patient wants to use lift a lot of times, you might think of arsenic, because oppression of breathing, prostration from fast walking, or ascending great height or ascending a height also is arsenic album. So keep your eyes open when you are walking or when you are taking the case. You have to have that symptoms which corresponds to arsenic. Next is the burning. Of course, arsenic is for burning, but burning of the palms, especially it is also indicated when there is burning in the inner organs. See, burning in the organs is important. Burning in the skin, burning in the ulcers, and which is relieved by heat. Now this is an important symptom. Burning relieved by heat. That becomes arsenic album. Skin symptom. Bran-like dry scaly eruption. Bran-like dry scaly eruption with itching and burning. And important is this scratching is followed by bleeding. The arsenic patient will tell you, sir, बहुत खुजाना पड़ता है. After itching, there is bleeding, and that is arsenic album skin. Bran-like dry scaly eruptions, scratching followed by bleeding. And the modalities, the patient is worst after midnight. A very important modality of arsenic. Worst after midnight or midnight aggravation. And last, the poisoning. Arsenic album is indicated in poisoning from decayed or morbid animal matter. From decayed or morbid animal matter. Or poisoning by inoculation. Poisoning by inhalation or swallowing. In all conditions, arsenic album is indicated. So these I have discussed only the characteristic symptoms of arsenic album. Of course, each organ, each system of arsenic has lots of symptoms and lots of characteristics, which I will discuss in my further videos. But this 10 symptoms you have to remember if you want to understand arsenic album. If you like this video, do share and subscribe. Thank you.